Hello everyone, I'm Technician Wong from FastForm. Let me introduce the preparation of DeskFab X1. Open the water chiller top port. Put the funnel. Add UL distilled water. Add the water to the upper limit of the green level for the first usage. Close the top port. Turn on the voltage stabilizer. Turn on the printer switch. Turn on the water chiller. The water chiller temperature should be at 251 degrees centigrade. Turn on the air compressor and then to generator. Then to purity needs to be reached to 99.9%. Open the enter outlet tool. Adjust the flow bowl to 4 liters per minute. Wait until the purity reached to 99.9%. Open the FastFab. Click OK, Login. Select Account. Click User. Click OK. Click Logon. Then open the printer door. Push the base plate to the platform. To be sure not to place the base plate directly to the platform from above. Then align the base plate and platform. Click Initialize. Click Build Axis C down. Disable the blade axis P. Pull out the blade axis P. Place the leveling block. Check the blade axis P is parallel with chamber or not. If not in parallel, then loosen the screws. Press the blade to be aligned with leveling block. After that, tighten the screws. Push the blade axis P back to the original position. Clean the bottom of chamber and dial gauge. Then place the dial gauge to the front of chamber, press 0. Then place the dial gauge to the center of base plate. Raise up the base plate until get 1.0 displayed on dial gauge. Move the dial gauge front side and back side. Make sure the margin of error plus or minus 0.1. Open the top port of printer for adding powder. Place the dry and clean funnel. Add the sift and dry powder. Close the top port. Click the Initialize. Click the powder supply until filled full of powder around base plate gap. Fine adjust the base plate up and down during recoating the powder until only very thin layer of powder on the base plate. But the value should be within 0.100. The prefect recoating status means only a very thin layer powder on the base plate. Also can see the base plate. Close the door. Check the door whether locked. Click Project. Select Files. Click Load. Click OK. Click Motor. Click Initialize. Click Chamber. Turn on the oxygen. Select Oxygen Order. Adjust gas regulator for chamber pressure to 0.4. When circulator is blinking, turn on the circulator. When oxygen drops down to below 0.8%, click Laser. Click Open. Click SL and Print. Select it and click Next. Click OK. Click Next. Click OK. Click Start Printing. Motor is showing the status of movement. Data is showing current layer number and printing data. Camera is showing real-time printing status. If needs remote operation, double-click Sun Login. Meanwhile, open the Sun login on the phone. Click Remote Assist. Input the PC device ID and password. Then start to operate the printer through your phone.